In this video, I'm going to show the progress I'm making on the Great Pyramid game that I'm working on. And in this video, I show that I switched to Unreal Engine 5 and how that's working. So I switched to Unreal Engine 5 because I thought it would make modeling easier. And it did make some things easier. For example, the stairs are easier to make at any angle you want, although it's not totally simple, it's easier. So now, right when you come into the pyramid, it slopes down like it shows on the map I'm using, and it's at the correct angle. And then this goes down to the underground chamber, which is here. And then these stairs lead up to the Queen's chamber, which is here, and the King's chamber, which is here. And everything is at the correct angle. So the stairs worked out better, although there's other problems. For one thing, it's my laptop is kind of slow it has a hard time running Unreal Engine 5, but I might even just make the meshes on Unreal Engine 5, then I might change it, import those into Unreal Engine 4 and then do it from there, because Unreal Engine 5 runs slower on my laptop. But this is what everything's looking like now. Everything's in pretty much the correct location, but my map only shows this angle here. It doesn't show the other angles. So right now I'm guessing on some of the positions from the other dimension. I only have a map that shows this dimension. For example, it shows the position here, but it doesn't show how wide this is or exactly where it's located on the other dimension. So I haven't been able to find a map other than this one dimension. So that's kind of a problem, but right now I'm just guessing at the the positions on the other dimension. Okay, I'm going to press play and do a run through of the map as it exists now. So like I said, my laptop's kind of slow for Unreal Engine 5, so it kind of lags a little bit. It makes it harder to control the character too. Okay, so these stairs will lead up to the main entrance. On the real pyramid, there's an entrance below this entrance called the robber tunnel entrance. And I don't know if I'm going to just have this one entrance or not, but right now I just have the original entrance. So now as you come in, it immediately slopes down. If you go down all the way, you'll go down to the underground chamber, is what this is called. Okay, so this is the underground chamber. Now I'll go back up. I have to go kind of slow because my laptop kind of lags, and It's hard to control the character, and I don't want to fall off the map. Now later on this will all be enclosed. It's just open right now because it's not done. Okay, so this is the floor level, and these stairs go off to the Queen's Chamber and the King's Chamber. Okay, this is the entrance to the Queen's Chamber. Okay, so this is the Queen's Chamber. The King's Chamber is up above. Okay, if I continue up, this will be the King's Chamber. And this is the sarcophagus here. Right now it's just a box. And this is the King's Chamber. And that's the end of the walkthrough for now.